What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you're new here. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm bringing you another Halloween content type video. Today I am sharing with you half vlog style, half sit down, get ready with me style. Basically, today is my Victoria's Secret Angel themed Halloween party, and we spent the last 2 days getting everything all set up for that, and you'll see some footage in this video of that. So obviously we're working with a bit of a different background still. My office is still under construction, so we're gonna be working on today's project in my living room. So today's video slash, I guess, kind of vlog, I don't know exactly what style I'm gonna film it in yet, but I'm having a Halloween party this weekend and it's going to be Victoria's Secret Angel theme. So I am gonna do a little DIY on some wings that I got, as well as, I don't know about my costume. I don't think I really need to do much on that, but I do need to decorate my apartment. I've got like a little runway that I'm setting up, so it's gonna be super fun. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for all of that. But first things first, I really need to tackle these wings. I got some pretty decent sized ones, like they're big. They're from Pretty Little Thing. And I just kind of want to like glam them up, give them a little pizzazz, you know. I'm very extra, so my wings need to be extra. So that's what we're gonna do first. So I'll show you what I picked up for that. The first thing I picked up was these large wings that I actually ordered from the Pretty Little Thing website. And then I bought this hot glue gun and hot glue from Amazon. And then I actually got some white pampas grass to kind of emulate the look of wings. Well, not wings, but feathers. And then I also got these big white ostrich feathers over here. And I'm going to be doing like a little DIY to really just kind of make the wings look bigger, more voluminous, more extra, like you would normally see on the Victoria's Secret runway. So I don't think this is going to be too hard, honestly. And I feel like this is going to be a pretty quick and easy DIY, especially because the feathers and like pampas grass aren't heavy. I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble hot gluing all of this down. So we're gonna start with the pampas grass and just kind of pull it apart and glue each individual piece of grass, I suppose, or like little, I don't know what the term is, these little thingies here, each individual one to the wings. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it's looking like. I know it's kind of a mess right now, but trust the process. So I basically just glued all of the pampas grass to the insides of the wings here. And then I just added 3 of the ostrich feathers up at the top, just to kind of, you know, give it a little something extra. And to cover up all of the hot glue bits, I'm gonna use probably just the rest of the feathers, or like a few of them, just to kind of cover up so that it blends in nicer. So I'm gonna do that right now. So this is the completed look. I am so happy with how it turned out. This was actually a really easy DIY. Honestly, this took about like 15 to 20 minutes. Anyone can do it. And I will link the pampas grass and the ostrich feathers down below in the description box if you are interested in doing this DIY yourself. we are doing the makeup look, and of course, you know, we have to do the hair too. I did kind of give myself like a blowout, but I'm gonna use a big barrel curler as well once I've done my makeup, just to get that real like beach wave look that the angels are always known for having. So the makeup look that I'm doing is going to be from kind of like the early to mid 2000s look, where they were very, very glowy, like bright inner corners, bright highlight, pink blush, bronze, pink lip. That's the kind of vibe that we're going for. So I am super excited. I have all of my products out here. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to be using, so I may just do like a voiceover of this video, or I may just pop the product up in the corner of the screen so that I'm not like taking a lot of time talking about each product, if that makes sense. I've also self-tanned, so my face is quite a bit lighter than my neck, but that's fine. I've got some darker foundation, so we're gonna make it work. And then stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see how the night went and the outfits and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get into fixing this face.
Every little thing you do, it gets me thinking. By another shot, you got me drinking. Girl, you shut me down and there's no witness. Got me in my field, she would never listen. All the alcohol is in my liver. I guess I lost and you're the winner. Missing your touch, you were a good kisser. I was born a saint, but now I'm a sinner. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. All the times with you, they just fly by. All the memories pop up on my timeline. Change your colors on me like you're tie-dye. Got me falling for you while you take a skydive. See you in another dimension. Can't sleep on my night's rest. Baby girl, you were my best friend. Best friend. Every little thing you do, it gets me thinking. By another shot, you got me drinking. Could you shut me down and there's no witness? Got me in my field, she would never listen. All the alcohol is in my liver. I guess I lost and you're the winner. Missing your touch, you were a good kisser. I was born to sing, but now I'm a sinner. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. I've been looking out for somebody just like you, but then you walk on by, and I knew what I had to do. The way you're moving, the way you're shining, everybody's watching you. I wanna make you mine. The way you're looking, the way you're smiling, it's like you put a spell on me. You're always on my mind, on my mind. I've been looking out for somebody just like you, but then you walk on by, and I knew what I had to do. The way you're moving, the way you're shining, everybody could put a spell on me. You're always on my mind, on my mind.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is died. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't fight my way out. Lost all dimension and time. I think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down. And this goes down. Every message that I send you, you just leave them all on red. Now every part of me is hurting, cross my heart. I don't deserve this. Loved you just for you to harm me in the end. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes.
Okay, so don't hate me, but I did my hair off camera. Well, in fairness, I actually did it way earlier, most of it. I used that Revlon two-step hair dryer that kind of gives you like that blowout look. So I just did like a blowout so that my hair would, you know, curl away from my face. But then I took this big 2-inch curling wand. This is actually from Amazon. There's like 5 or 6 different attachments to that. This is the brand Bistope. I'll link this down below in the description box, but I pretty much just took like my face framing pieces and went like this and curled them away from my head. And because I have naturally curly hair, I don't have to hold the curling wand on there for very long at all. Like I literally will wrap it around, and as soon as I'm done wrapping it, I drop it. So that just helps me get the big voluminous juicy curls. And now I am going to get dressed and show you guys the final look. So I'm super excited for you to see it. So I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. So this is how the wings turned out. Like I said, I did a little DIY on them, which you would have seen in the vlog portion of this video. And then I just got this little flowy skirt off Amazon. It's like a overskirt, I think is the term. And then this little corset's from Pretty Little Thing. And then I'm just wearing a swimsuit bottom, and I got this little pearl belt also on Amazon. And then my sparkly lace-up shoes. I think I got these at Public Desire a few years ago. So yeah, this is my whole outfit for my house party, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.